Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here's your Dogecoin trading informant. This is an update for Dogecoin. What's going on? So hello and welcome. This is the weekly chart picture. Every candle is here 1 week. And yes, it's very interesting what's going on with Doge. You can see here this green line here, this green lines, this is the ribbon band. And you can see this green ribbon band is a really nice support on this bull run. But now with this weekly candle, it was a really big spike to the downside into the ribbon band. And now this weekly candle is also fighting with the last ribbon band here, with this last MA. And we will check now what is going on. On the downside, it's the MACD. You can see here we saw a cross. We saw here a bearish cross with the MACD. This was on this week here on the 14th of June. And we see now the blue line is under this brown line. This is bearish. We are now building red candles, and this is not the best thing, because you can see on the bull run here a long time, this nice blue line was always over the brown line, and then we saw a crossing and now it's going down. The big question is now, how deep will Doge go? Where is the bottom? Where is the perfect point for a buy-in? And will Doge rise again, or will Doge go to hell? This is the question we will check here now together, guys. In my opinion, very important is at this point here, this is the candlestick analyze. These are candlestick pattern, and you can see here some interesting things. You can see here was a bullish engulfing, and look at this, a big pump to the upside. Then we saw here this bearish harami and down going candles here. So the big question is now, guys, what is the big stuff? And this candle here is a really nice candle with a long wick to the downside. And normally, guys, that means we will see a nice upgoing trade here, nice upgoing price for Dogecoin with this long wick to the downside. We saw here a long wick to the downside, then an upgoing price here. This one was a false long wick to the downside, a very big problem, because I think a lot of guys here went long because of this long wick to the downside, and then they saw a big dump. So it's not always working, but for the most time, this is really nice working here, guys. So let's check the next stuff here. Let's check the daily time frame for Doge. And on the daily time frame, we have here the MACD on the downside, and on the daily time frame, we saw a crossing MACD here on the 27th of June with this nice green candle here. So now, for now, Dogecoin is on an uptrend. You can see it here with the green candles here on the green bars here on the downside, and the blue line is over this orange brown line, and this is bullish. We saw here a bullish harami, and here also a bullish harami. Bullish haramis are always a sign for a nice upgoing Dogecoin, and now here it is. Now here's the bearish harami, the bearish engulfing. The big problem is here, guys. We have a EMA ribbon band. This is this red ribbon band, and this is a really big resistance here on the daily time frame for Doge. We saw here a fight to the upside to the ribbon band, a long wick, and down again. The next fight with the ribbon band, down again. And guys, you know it, if we are fighting more often here on this ribbon band on one time, we will fight up over this ribbon band. So I think it's now a nice time for Doge. We are building for the moment higher lows. This is very nice. We saw this point here on the downside. This was a low, and then we saw no lower low. All lows here are higher, but not this here. So this day today is a problem for Doge, and maybe a sign for a downgoing Doge, because here was the last point, this was the last low, and here it's now a lower low. That's not so nice, guys. So let's go deeper now. Let's go into the 4-hour time frame. Here are the candlesticks, not so interesting for us. Let's remove it, and you can see the ribbon band is here, a little green ribbon band. We saw a little green ribbon band with a long position here, but you can see it back down again, short position, ribbon red, and the ribbon is still a resistance, a big resistance now. From the upside is coming this EMA 200 on 30 cents for Doge. This is also a big resistance, and on the downside, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see the MACD. It's bearish, blue line under the brown line. We are buying more and more red bars here. This is not so nice. This is not so good. We can check another stuff here, guys. If you're zooming out a little bit more and a little bit more, we can check this one here. we saw a big downgoing parallel channel from the highest point here over this point and down like this. This was a downgoing parallel channel. A downgoing is always a red, a bearish one. Then we saw here a breakout down again, a retest, and now it's going sideways. So maybe this is the sign now for a bottom. This would be very nice if you would see here at the bottom and an upgoing Dogecoin. But this is a little bit, makes me a little bit nervous here, this new short position here and this downgoing Dogecoin. It makes me a little bit nervous. Bitcoin is also going down today, so maybe we are going down with Dogecoin because of Bitcoin, and this is not easy to trade if you're on a short position here with this short. Okay, nice, use the stop loss and you are maybe in a nice position here. So let's check the next stuff here, guys. Because if we're going in a little bit more in the 1 hour time frame, we have this picture here for Doge, and you can see a green ribbon band, a little red one, a green one, and now a red one. It's turning into a red with a short position here. And yes, as I told you guys, this is not the best thing for now. We have some things to watch, and this is this support line. We can draw here from this lowest point here over this here a support line, and you can see for the moment, let me check. We are fighting with this support line now. This is a nice support. This is maybe a nice rebuy point if you're not in Dogecoin. Maybe this is not the baddest thing here, 24 cents in my opinion. But the important thing is, guys, this must hold. If we will see a downgoing candle, a confirmed closing candle under this support line, I would set a stop loss and I would go out of this trade if I am in a long trade. The next thing is, guys, look at this, a line from here to here. And you can see we are binding here a little triangle. And we are going sideways here to the upside, to the downside maybe, to the upside maybe. So this is not the baddest position now, in my opinion, to buy in here in Doge if you would like to trade Doge. It's not the baddest thing, in my opinion. What is telling us the indicator, the RSI? I forgot, relative strength index. And the RSI is nearly oversold. It's on 30 points. It's not oversold now, but it's nearly oversold. So it's not the baddest thing if you're watching on the RSI to buy here because it's nearly oversold. And the next thing we can watch if we are trading this coin here, if we are trading Dogecoin, is this line, guys. If we will break out over this line, this would also be a nice buy position. This would also be a nice time to go into Doge here, maybe because we will see then a nice upgoing leg to the upside. My next target, if we can stay over this support here, is the line here on the upside. Depends always where we'll hit this line, 27 cents. Maybe it's possible, but look at this. Also here is the EMA 200 on the 1 hour chart, and this is on 25 cents. So this is also big resistance. Also big resistance, this ribbon band here. So guys, this is the update for Dogecoin. We have to wait here a little bit what's going on. One thing I forgot, guys, I will check here very quick on the 4 hour time frame. This is the very important Fibonacci retracement. I forgot it. And something else I would like to show you is the ABC correction, and we will check this now very quick. Remove all drawings, remove the ribbon band. We don't need it here for this. And this is now the Fibonacci retracement. You can draw it from the highest point here to the lowest point here. This was the lowest point here. And you can see Dogecoin is acting for the moment between this 16 cent and between this line here. This is on 30 cents. So this is now very interesting. If we can break out here to the upside, we have the next target to watch. This is 30 cent. This is a big resistance because this is the Fibonacci 0.236. And guys, very fast, I would like to show you this picture here. This is the ABC correction. Let me check this. Maybe we saw here an ABC correction, and maybe we see now an upgoing Dogecoin, and we can check this with the ABC. Let's check this. This is the start point, the highest point with 0. Then we saw this deepest point here of A, the next leg to the upside B, and this now to the downside C. C is a very important support. Why? You can see it because of this lowest point here. This lowest point is the price about 16 cent, and 16 cent is also measuring with our last low here because this is a really big support, and we saw a nice rejection here to the upside. And yes, guys, it's possible to go down again a little bit, but in my opinion, we are now in a new 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgoing wave. 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5. It's possible. It's possible. But we need here volume. We need here an upgoing price for Dogecoin. If we don't see this, it's also possible to see here a 1, 2 downgoing and then an upgoing, back again, and something like this. So guys, this is my opinion here on Dogecoin. This is my TA for Dogecoin. I hope you enjoyed it. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. These are only my thoughts about Dogecoin. It's, in my opinion, possible to see here an upgoing Dogecoin, but we need now volume, volume, volume. Please watch this. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I wish you just the best. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short from here. I wish you make millions with your trade. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye-bye.
System activated.